Good afternoon, sir. I'm Midshipman Balagot in Section G2E, and this subject is Colregs 23, and I will recitation for this Rule 36. Rule 36 is signals to attract attention. Signals to attract attentions if necessary to attract the attentions of another vessels. Any vessels may make light or sound signals that cannot be mistaken for any signal authorized else where in these rules, or may direct the beam of her searchlights in the directions of the danger in shots away as not to embarrass any vessels. Any light to attack the attentions of another vessel shall be such that it cannot be mistaken for any aid to navigation. For the purpose of this rule, the use of high intensity intermittent of or revolving lights such as strobe lights shall be avoided. And that's all, sir. Thank you.